Okay, so I'm going to introduce you with some solid shapes. And as I have shown you, these are my different objects having different shapes. Okay. What do we mean by solid shapes first of all? Solid shapes are three-dimensional shapes. That is 3D objects. It means they have length, breadth and height. Like here you can see it has got length, okay, breadth and a height. Okay, length, breadth and a height. So solid objects are three-dimensional objects. It means they have length, breadth and height. Now what do we mean by face? A face is an individual surface of a solid object. Can you see this surface? It is known as a face. Face of a solid object. And this line, can you see? This line where this face and this face meets. I'm again repeating, children. This line where this face and this face, it meets. It is known as an edge. Edge. Okay? And this point, I'm showing you this point where this line and this line meets at this point, which is known as a corner or a vertex. Okay, children? So face, edge, and a vertex. So what we have studied here, let me show you, children. Let me show you. Just give me a second. Okay. Just a second. Let me open this so that you can see it. So we have seen what do we mean by solid shapes. Okay. This I have to show you the screen so that you can see beta. Can you see this book beta? Can you see this? Thumbs up. Okay. So what we have studied, I'm trying to show you the e-book so that you can be more clear. Can you see this book beta? Okay. Can you see the book beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Just wait on beta.
Ma'am.
Just wait on beta. Give me a second. Give me a second beta. Just give me a second. I'm trying to show it to you. This book. Yes, I have got this book here. I'm going to show it to you. Okay. This is the book which has opened now. Okay, children. Okay, so we have seen about the solid shapes. Objects that have length, breadth and height are three-dimensional and are called solid shapes. Faces, a face is an individual. Can you see here an individual face? Surface, which is known as a face. Then this line is known as the edge and this point is known as the vertex. Okay. Okay, children. Now coming to the next point, that is flat and curved surfaces. The outer part of a solid object is called its surface. A surface may be flat or curved. Like you can see here, children. This shape has only flat surface, but this shape has got curved as well as flat surface. Okay. If I show you this, ball, it has got a curved surface. Can you see here? Okay. But if I talk about this, it has got only flat surface. This has got only flat surface. Okay. And this ball has got a curved surface. Okay, children. So here we have studied about flat and the curved surface. Now moving on to the next topic, that is we are going to study about the solid shapes in detail. So for this, let me play a video for you. Here I have got a video. Yes. So let's play it.
Hi friends, I'm going to introduce you to some geometrical solid shapes that you come across in daily life. Look at this dice. Have you ever wondered what its shape is? Well, it is shaped like a cube. Here is one of the flat surfaces of the cube. It is called a face. A cube has 6 such faces. Each face is square in shape. The line where 2 faces meet is called an edge. A cube has 12 such edges. The point where edges meet is called a corner. A cube has 8 corners. We saw that a dice is shaped like a cube. Can you think of any other object that is cube-shaped? Well, have a look at this Rubik's Cube.
Okay, children. Okay. So here we have seen that this is a cube. It has got 6 faces. Okay. And 12 edges and 8 corners. These are the corners. And besides this dice, one more example for this cube is, for the cube shaped object is this Rubik's Cube. Okay. I hope that it is clear to you, children. Now moving on to the next shape, we have.
Here's a pencil box. Its shape is similar to that of a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. Each face is rectangular in shape. A cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. Besides the pencil box, several objects in our daily life are shaped like cuboids. Have a look at this matchbox.
So children, here we have seen that this is a cuboid. It has got 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay. And this matchbox is an object which is shaped like a cuboid. Then the next shape which we are having is
Look at this soft drink can. Its shape is similar to a cylinder. A cylinder has two identical flat circular faces and one curved face. So, it has three faces in total. Did you notice that there are two edges in a cylinder? But what about corners? Do you see any? Aha! This shape does not have any corners. A soft drink can is shaped like a cylinder. How about this dustbin? It's also cylindrical in shape, isn't it?
So children, here we have seen that it is a cylinder. It has got two flat circular faces. Okay. And this one is the curved face. It has got two edges, 1 and 2, and no corners. Okay children. These are some objects which are shaped like a cylinder. Okay, now moving on to the next shape.
I'm sure you all love ice cream cones. But have you ever wondered what its shape is? The shape of an ice cream cone is similar to a geometrical solid shape called cone. A cone has a flat circular face and a curved face. It has only one edge and one corner, which is also known as the vertex. Besides ice cream cones, the party caps that we wear on birthdays are also cone-shaped.
So children, here we have seen this is a cone shape. It has got one edge and one corner and a flat circular face and a curved face. Okay children. So now moving on to the next shape.
I just love playing basketball. Did you know that a basketball is shaped like a sphere? A sphere has just one curved face. It does not have any edges and corners. Besides the basketball, the planet Earth is also shaped like a sphere. You have seen some of the common
So children, we have seen that the shape which we have seen the last is the sphere shape. Let me show you.
I just love playing basketball. Did you know that a basketball is shaped like a sphere? A sphere has just one curved face. It does not have any edges and corners. Besides the basketball, the planet Earth is also shaped like a sphere. You have seen some of the common solid shapes that you come across in daily life.
Okay children. So we have seen the sphere shape also. It is just like a sphere. Okay. It has got a curved surface, curved face, no edges and no vertices. Okay. So the shapes which we have studied are cube, cuboid, then cone, sphere, and a cylinder. These are all solid shapes. Okay, children? Let me show you the shapes which we have studied. Okay. The first one was cuboid, cube. Then we have here cylinder, sphere, and cone. These are some solid shapes. I hope it is clear to you all. Children, now let's move on to exercise 7.1. Okay. Here we have to identify the shapes. Just now we have studied about the few solid shapes. So we have to identify the shapes now. Whether it is a cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, or a sphere. Okay.
Identify the solid shapes. Let's identify the first shape. This shape has the properties of cone. Hence, it is a cone shape. Let's identify the next shape. This shape has the properties of a sphere. Hence, it is a sphere shape. Finally, let's identify the last shape. This shape has the properties of a cube. Hence, it is a cube shape.
Okay, children. So we have identified the different shapes. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Count the number of edges, faces, and vertices in each shape. Okay. The first one is we have to find out that how many edges, faces, and vertices this figure has. Okay. So let me show you. Okay. Okay, children. So this figure has got 12 edges, 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And how many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay. As this figure is a cube, so it has got 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertices. And all the faces are square shaped. Here all the faces are square shaped. Now coming to the next one.
Count the number of edges, faces, and vertices in each shape. Let's solve the first problem. This is a cylinder shape with 2 flat circular ends and 1 curved side. Thus it has 3 faces, 2 edges, and no vertex. Hence it has 2 edges, 3 faces, and 0 vertices. Let's solve the final problem. This is a cone shape with a flat circular base that rises to a point. It has 2 faces, 1 edge, and 1 vertex. Hence it has 1 edge, 2 faces, and 1 vertex.
So as this figure is a cone, so it has got how many edges? 1. So this is the 1 edge, 1 and 2 faces. One is the curved face, curved flat face, and other is the curved face. And this is the flat face. And how many vertices it has got? This corner, can you see over here? So it has got only 1 vertex. Okay, children? Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 3. Look at the 3D shapes and fill in the blanks. Okay, what we have to do here? We have to just identify the 3D shape and we have to fill in the blanks. We have to do this. So let's see this. This is a sphere. This shape is a sphere. And it has got how many flat surfaces? But listen, it has got 0 flat surfaces because this is a curved surface. It has got a curved face. So flat surfaces will be 0. And what about this one? This is a cuboid. Okay. And it has got how many flat surfaces? 6 flat surfaces. Okay. And each surface is rectangular in shape, or we can say each face is rectangular in shape. Okay children, got it? So in the first exercise, we identified the shapes. Then in the second question, exercise 7.1, second question, we counted the number of edges, faces and vertices in each shape. Okay. Then coming to the next question, we have to write the name of the given 3D shape and how many flat surface the given shape has. Okay children. So before moving on to the next topic, would you like to play a quiz? Children, just thumbs up. Would you like to play a quiz with me? It would be really very interesting. Okay, so let's play a quiz. I'm going to show you the questions on this. The questions will display on the screen and you have to write the correct option in your notebook, and later on I'll tell you the answer for the same question. Okay children, let me log in to this. Just give me a second. Few more minutes. Okay children, be ready to answer the questions. And just check whether your answer is correct or not. So here we go. So first question is, which of the following depicts a solid shape? Okay, you have to find which is the solid shape. Okay, and the options are A, B, C and D. Okay, I hope you must have written the answer in your notebook, which is the correct option. So I'm going to now show you the solution or the right answer for this. It is A. This is the solid shape. Then moving on to the next question. Which of the following has the shape of a cylinder? These are the shapes given to you and you have to find the shape of a cylinder. Okay, so just write your answer, whether it is A, B, C or D. Now let's look at the answer, solution. It is A. This object is having shape of a cylinder. The next question, which of the following matches with the given shape? Here, the shape is given to you and you have to match it with the given shapes. And the solution is B. Okay, this shape matches with the given shape. Next, the solid shape shown in the image is a, what's the name of this shape, solid shape? It is a cuboid, cylinder, cone or a sphere. What is it? Let's see. It is a sphere, okay? So I hope you must have enjoyed this, playing this quiz with me. Okay, so this was the quiz related to the solid shapes. Now I have got few more questions for you. Here it is. The questions would be related to the flat and the curved surfaces, okay? Here it is. How many flat and curved surfaces does the given figure have? Okay, I'm repeating. How many flat and curved surfaces does the given figure have? Here I have got four options. One flat surface, one curved surface, one curved surface only, one flat surface, or the flat surface, two flat surfaces and one curved surfaces. So please see which answer you are going to choose from these given four options. So this is the correct answer. One flat surface, this is the flat surface, and this is the curved surface. Why is it so? Because it is shaped like a cone, so it will be having properties of a cone. Coming to the next question. How many flat surfaces does a cuboid have? 4, 2, 1 or 6? So it has got 6 flat surfaces which are rectangular in shape. State which of the following statement is false. You have to find out the statement which is not true. It means false. A sphere has one curved surface. A cube has 6 flat surfaces. A cone has one curved surface and no flat surface. And a cuboid has 6 flat surfaces. Take your time and choose the correct option. So the solution is, correct answer is, a cone has one curved surface and no flat surface. Why this statement is false? Because just now we have seen that a cone has one curved surface and one flat surface. Which of the given solid shapes has 3 surfaces? Okay, you have to find the solid shapes which has got 3 surfaces. This is a cylinder, cone, sphere and a cuboid. So what is the correct answer? So this cylinder has got 3 surfaces. 1 and 2 flat surfaces and this third one is the circular one. Last question I am having. Which of the following statement is true for a cube? Okay. It has 3 square and 3 rectangular surfaces. It has 6 rectangular surfaces. It has 6 square surfaces. And it has 4 rectangular and 2 square surfaces. So you have to find the correct statement. It has got 6 square surfaces. Earlier I have explained you children that cube is made up of square. It has the faces of the cube are square in shape. So it has got 6 square surfaces. Okay. I hope children you must have enjoyed this.